Okay. It is time. I can help you. Workbook.
Hello everybody, these are the pages 42 and 43 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and today we're doing the Let's Learn More section of Unit 5. So here we had some new adjectives like big and little, but before we do any work with them, let's remember what they looked like in the student book.
Big, little, new, old, long, short, round, square.
Okay, and now we're ready to try part A. It just says trace and circle. We trace the words and then we circle the right pictures. Number 1 is big, B-I-G. Which star is big? This star is big. It's big. Number 2 is the opposite of big, little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Which heart is little? This one. It's little. Number 3 is long, L-O-N-G. Which ruler is long? This one is long. It's long. Number 4 is short, S-H-O-R-T. Which pencil is short? This pencil is short. It's the opposite of long. Number 5 is round, R-O-U-N-D. Which one is round, the box or the baseball? The baseball is round. It's round. And number 6 is the opposite of round, square, S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Which one is square? The present is square. It's square. Part A is done. This is part B, and it says circle and write. So we have to look at the picture and then pick which word best matches that, circle it, and then we're going to put that word into the sentence. All right, and in the student books, we were making sentences like this. Okay, we can just take the adjective, this is long, and then we can put it before the thing. So what kind of jump rope is it? It's a long jump rope. Trace long. All right, let's see here. They're talking about the bicycle, not the girl. Is it big or little? Little. So we can say it's a little bicycle. L-I-T-T-L-E. It's a little bicycle. Number 3, round or square? Round. So we can say it's a round CD. It's a round CD. Number 4, new or old? Old. There's a big hole in the kite and it's ripped here too. So we can say it's an old kite. Does anybody know why we say an? Because old starts with a vowel sound. Oh. Good job. Part B is done. And this is part C. It just says read and check. Let's start with number 1. Is it a long pencil case? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. It's a short pencil case. Yes, it is. It's a long one. Number 2, is it an old video game? Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. It's a new video game. Well, that says new, so we can check. No, it isn't. It's a new video game. Is it an old bicycle? Yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. It's a new bicycle. Well, when I look at the bicycle, this wheel is not super round anymore. The seat is ripped and this wheel has a flat tire. So I think, no, it isn't. Oh, I'm sorry. I think, yes, it is. It's old. That's a tricky one. It got me. Yes, it is. It's an old bicycle. Okay, Part C is all done. And this is part D. It just says trace and match. So we have 4 actions here. We're going to trace the action and then just match it to the right picture. Number 1, jump rope. Trace that. I can jump rope. Can you jump rope? There, she can jump rope too. Number 2, catch a ball. C-A-T-C-H space A space B-A-L-L. Who can catch a ball? He can throw a ball. She can catch a ball. Draw a line over to her. Number 3, ride a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Now, who likes to ride a bicycle? Well, he likes to throw a ball. He likes to ride a bicycle. Number 4, throw a ball. T-H-R-O-W-A-B-A-L-L. And this boy can throw a ball. What about you? Can you throw a ball? Great. Part D is done, which means we're done our workbooks for today. Nice job.